So, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, please stand. Miss Berna, please lead a prayer.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God and give honor and celebrate others.
So, bago kayo maupo, pulutin niyo muna yung mga papel dyan sa ilalim ng upuan niyo. So, okay. Take your seat now. So, how's your day, class? So, it's nice to hear that. Miss Secretary, who is the absent today?
There's none.
Oh, very good. So, bago tayo mag-start sa bago nating lesson, ano yung last lesson natin last meeting?
It's about nail shapes.
So, alam niyo naman na may mga basic nail shape tayo. So, give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
one, Miss Berna.
So we have round shape.
Miss Saison.
So we have pointed or spherical.
Miss India.
Oval.
Mr. JM. Okay, very good. So, bago rin ako mag-start sa ating lesson, mayroon na akong ipapakitang picture. Then, i-identify nyo kung ano ito. So, Mr. JM.
Nail brush po.
Okay, thank you. Miss Bernal.
Nail cutter blade.
Okay. Miss Aison. Okay, thank you. And Miss Intia.
Sterilizer.
So, thank you very much. So, how was the activity?
It was good.
So, dito sa apat na picture, ano yung naiisip niyo na pwede siyang maging topic natin?
Ano siya ng mga tools and equipment sa for example sa manicure.
Okay, thank you, Miss Berna. So, I have here the learning objective. Mr. JM, please paste it on the board. But before that, please, tanggalin mo muna yan. Okay, thank you. So, this is our objective. So, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to, number one, identify the tools and equipment used in nail care activity. Number two, classify the items according to its task requirements. And lastly, number three, value the importance of proper handling of tools and equipment in nail care activity. So sa inyo, ano yung meaning ng tools? Miss Aison.
So, ang tools po ito yung ginagamit natin, which is small lang siya. So, ang equipments po kasi di ba malalaki. So, ang tools is yung mga parang kaya lang siyang hawakan ng kamay.
Okay, very good. So, this is our topic for today, nail care tools and equipment. So, nail care service, Miss Intia, please read.
Nail care service, a cosmetic beauty treatment for the fingernails and toenails performed at home or in a nail salon. These are given to both male and female.
So, nail care service, pwede siya sa bahay na gawin or sa mga nail salon. So, a manicure or pedicure is a service that keeps the nails and skin of the hand and feet in healthy condition. So, tools are the articles used in any nail care service which are durable or permanent and are handheld. Tools are also referred to as implement. So, gaya nga po na sinabi ni Miss Aison, ang mga tools is yung mga kaya lang nating bitbitin na hindi mabibigat. These tools commonly used in giving manicure and pedicure are the following. So, callus remover, a tool designed to strip of calluses and corns. So, ito po yung callus remover. As you can see, meron siyang parang ano ba to? Dots. Yeah. So, next is cuticle nail pusher. A tool used to push back and loosen the cuticles. So, alam niyo naman at ang nail pusher na ganda po siya, guys. Next is cuticle nipper. Is an implement used to cut the cuticles. So, ang cuticle nipper is ganito siya, kung saan ginagamit siya sa pag-cut ng ating cuticles sa gilid ng ating yes, then finger or manicure bowl, a small bowl used for soaking the fingers to soften the cuticles. So, ito yung finger or manicure bowl. Kung saan yung mga finger nga natin is kailangan ibabad siya. So, next is so, foot file. Please, Miss Aison, please read.
Made of metal or sandpaper with a rough file on one side to remove varices and the fine files on the other to smoothen.
So, ito yung foot file natin kung saan sa ilalim ng paa natin is parang siya, binanglarap. So, foot spa basin, Miss Intia, please read.
Foot spa basin, a large rectangular container used for bathing and soaking the feet when giving a treatment.
So, ang foot spa basin is ganito po siya. Makikita niyo siya sa mga nail salon. Next is manicure tray. Mr. JM, can you please read?
A flat container with all these necessary
Tools.
tools and implements are placed for use and
So, ang manicure tray po is ganito kung saan nalagay natin yung mga tools like nipper, nail pusher, nail cutter. So, next is manicure nail brush. So, a plastic handled brush with a nylon grip These straps used to clean dirt and cosmetic residue from the nail surface and skin. So, alam niyo naman po ata ang nail brush na. So, ito po siya. Ginagamit po siya sa mga nalusin natin na sa nail. So, manicure ball, Miss Bernal Tisri.
Manicure bowl, used for mixing the aromatic oils and other ingredients for the hand or foot scrub.
So, manicure bowl or bowl is ganito siya. Kung saan din nalagyan natin ng water or pwede siyang lagyan din ng powder para mayroong soap. Yes, bowl din. So, nail buffer, an implement used for smoothing and polishing the nail. So, ito yung nail buffer. Pang soften ng mga nail natin. Next is nail cutter, used to trim fingernails and toenails. Nail cutter is like this. Yan, ginagamit siya sa kung saan mag-trim tayo ng mga nails natin. So, nail file, used to shape the free edges of the nail with the coarse side and bevel the nail with the finer side. So, ang nail file, ito yung ginagamit natin sa pag-shape ng ating mga nails. Next is orange wood stick, Mr. J.M. Screen.
An implement with wet and rounded and remove extra sponge.
So, ang orange wood stick ay ginagamit natin pag kunwari may cuties tayo na malagpas, yun yung ginagamit natin sa pagtanggal sa needle. So, next is Pumice stone, volcanic rock which is active, growing, was solidified to form a porous rock to remove dry and annoying skin of the feet as well as calluses. So, ganito siya. Yung ginagamit natin sa foot natin, yung mga dry skin para matanggal. Yes. So, next is trolley. Used for transporting, manicuring, and pedicuring tools and materials. Ang trolley ginagamit natin na kunwari may pupuntan tayo ibang lugar, pwede natin siyang ilagay yung mga tools and equipment natin. I mean yung tools lang. So, before we come on the equipment, so naintindihan niyo po ba?
Yes, po.
Okay, very good. So, next is our equipments. So, in your own word, Miss Bernal, ano yung equipment na hindi nagbabasa dito?
So, kapag sinabi natin equipment, usually hindi siya operated by your hands, pero mostly siya electric operated.
Okay, thank you. So, equipment are the items which are more or less durable and permanent needed for for a particular activity or purposes. So, ang equipment is yung mga bibigat na bagay na hindi mo pwedeng madala sa ibang lugar kung wala kang magagamit na sasakyan. So, these are the equipment and furniture or fixtures that are used in a salon. So, chairs. Alam niyo naman, di ba, ang chairs? So, are seats with a back support which have 4 legs and some have rest for the arms. So, sa salon, ito yung example nila ng chairs. Next is foot spa machine. Miss Cynthia, please read.
Foot spa machine, an electronic gadget used for soaking, bathing, and massaging the feet during a foot spa.
So, foot spa machine, ito yung electronic na kung saan yung feet natin is pwede nating ibabad para ma-relax yung paa natin. So, ito siya. Foot spa machine. Next is foot spa stool. A simple seat with 3 or 4 legs design. So, yung foot spa stool, ito yung ginagamit ng manicurist para makapaglinis, ay upuan niya para sa paglilinis ng customer niya. So, hand spa machine. Miss Aisen, pakibasa po.
So this is an electronic gadget used to soothe pain of arthritis, muscle spasms, and dry cracked skin of the hands.
So, ang hand spa machine, ito yung electronic na ginagamit natin para ma-relax yung mga muscle spasms and dry cracked skin sa hand natin. So, ito po yung picture. Sa nail salon lang po siya meron. Pwede rin naman siya kung meron sa bahay niyo. Pwede rin siya magamit. So next is manicurist chair or stool. A furniture that adjustable, upholstered seat fitted over a metal or chrome. So, itong manicurist chair or stool is parang same lang siya sa foot spa stool. Pero ang ito kasi manicurist chair stool, ito yung pwede siyang magamit na pag mataas na yung upuan at gusto mo mababa. So next is manicure table. It has a laminated plastic surface and a drawer for storing materials. So this is another sample of manicure table. So as you can see, meron siya din dito yung hand spa machine and ito yung pinapatungan ng nails nila. And lastly, sterilizer. An equipment in a salon used for sterilizing metal implements to kill microorganisms. So, ang sterilizer is pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina sa activity natin. So, sterilizer, ito yung ginagamit natin sa pag-sterilize sa mga tools. Ng mga tools like nail cutter, nail pusher, nipper, mga ganun. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
May question po, Miss Aison?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes po.
Ma'am, kailan po kailangan natin sterilize yung tools na gagamitin natin?
So, mag-sterilize lang tayo ng mga tools na gagamitin natin before tayo gumamit ng mga tools. So, naintindihan niyo naman po lahat ng lesson ko, di ba?
Yes,
So, may activity tayo dahil sa 1/4 na lang isulat. So, review na po siya in 5 minutes po. This review. So, 5 minutes is done. Mr. JM, can you please help me to remove the visual aids? Thank you. So, yung activity natin today is identification. So, nag-review na kayo, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Nagbigay na rin ako ng 5 minutes. So, okay, number 1. It is a tool used to push back and loosen the cuticles. Number 2. It has implement used to cut the cuticles. Okay na? Number 3, used for smoothing and polishing the nail. Number 4, a hand tool made or metal used to trim fingernails and toenails. Number 5, wheeled cart that is pushed by hand and used for transporting, manicuring, and pedicuring tools and materials. Say, okay na po ba?
Yes.
Okay, please exchange your paper at the back. At the back. So, nakipag-exchange na po ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Tools used to push back and loosen the cuticles. Miss Aison?
Nail pusher.
Okay, correct. Number 2, an implement used to cut the cuticles. Miss Intia? Okay, thank you. Number 3, used for smoothing and polishing the nails. Miss Bernal? Number 4, a hand tool made of metal used to trim fingernails and toenails. Mr. JM? And number 5, wheel cart that is pushed by hand and used for transporting, manicuring, and pedicuring tools and materials. Okay, very good. Please count the number of check and give it to the owner. Okay, thank you. So, magre-record ako ngayon ng mga score nyo. Okay, Miss Aison. Okay. Miss Bernal.
5 po, ma'am.
Mr. JM. Miss India. So, halos matataas naman yung score nyo. So, palakpakan nyo po yung mga sagot. So, bago tayo matapos, may assignment pa po. This is your assignment. So, your assignment is make an advanced reading on the different made ear materials. So, our class is done. Thank you very much.